Hey guys, we're back with another video about multiplying whole numbers and decimals, but this time we're going to talk about how can we estimate products using whole numbers and decimals. Okay, so let's just jump in. So here we have a word problem, and it says a wedding planner needs to buy 16 pounds of sliced cheese, and each pound is $2.15. So the question's asking me about how much money does she need. So we're looking at 16 pounds at $2.15 per pound. So hopefully you said to yourself, I need to figure out what 16 pounds times $2.15. But the key word in that number sentence was about. In that word problem, the word about is the most important word. Okay? So when I want to know about, I want to estimate. So the first way that I'm going to show you how to estimate is we're going to round our whole number to the nearest 10. And we're going to round our dollar amount to the nearest dollar. Okay? So 16 would go to 20. And $2.15, the nearest dollar, if you look at your 1 there and your 2, the 1 is going to go down, so we would round that to $2. So a good estimate would be 20 groups of 2. If you have 20 groups of 2, hopefully you said that was 40. And it's not 40 pounds, but it's $40. So 16 pounds of cheese is going to cost that wedding planner about $40, okay? Another way that we can estimate the answer is using compatible numbers. Okay, so again, we still have the same number sentence, which was 16 pounds times $2.15. Okay, so I am going to use compatible numbers, which I'm going to take that 16 down to 15 pounds, and I'm going to take $2.15 to, again, the nearest whole dollar, which would be 2. So that's going to tell me 15 groups of 2 is 30. So an estimate for the pounds of cheese in this situation would be 30. Okay, so here we have the two different examples I just showed you. We have the rounding method where we did 16 rounded to 20 and $2.15 rounded to 2 to get me a final answer of $40. And over here we used compatible numbers, which the 16 went to 15 and the $2.15 went to 2. So which one do you think is going to be more accurate? Hopefully you said compatible numbers was a little bit more accurate because instead of going all the way up to 20, we only went down to 15. But remember, with estimation, you can always have an overestimate or an underestimate depending on where you're at. And just like we talked about in class, using an underestimate can pose as somewhat of a problem sometimes if you have to have a certain amount of money. So keep that in mind when you're estimating. Let's do one more example, and I'm going to actually have you do this one on your own and then check your answer. So we are going to multiply $8.16 by 12 pounds. Okay, so go ahead and use estimation to solve that problem. So to check your answer, you could have used rounding, which would have taken $8.16 to $8 and 12 pounds to 10, which would have given you 80. That would be that rounding method. To use compatible numbers, you should have gotten 16 would have also rounded to $8. 12 pounds could have gone again to 10. So you actually in this situation would have gotten the same answer whether you did compatible or rounding. All right? Thanks for watching, and your joke today is, what do you get when you throw a lot of books into the ocean? See you soon.